Hello dear learner, welcome to the online certificate course on social gracing in the business world. Social gracing has become so much important these days that the way you sit, the way you stand, the way you walk, the way you communicate with another person, the type of handshake that you choose, or the way you make presentation in the meetings makes a lot of impact to your overall personality. And that is why we are offering this course on social gracing to you. After going through this course, you will be mastering in the following contents. And that is, firstly, you will know the importance of social gracing, why social gracing is needed in the business scenario. You will also be understanding the various techniques of critical thinking. So this critical thinking techniques is used in the boardroom or in the meeting room, wherein you will have to confront with many decision making scenes or decision making environment, wherein you will need to use your critical decision making techniques in order to come to a common conclusion or come to a most effective decision. So another content under your social gracing would be the types of handshakes. So as we all know that when it comes to business environment, when it comes to business profession, handshakes are the common gestures that people use in the business environment. So here the mentors would tell you the types of handshakes. They would tell you what are the handshakes that are not actually appreciated in the business environment and so on. The mentors would also emphasize or focus on your body language. What are the sitting techniques, what are the standing techniques, how do you talk to another person, or what are the clothing etiquettes, how are you going to conduct yourself in the meeting, are all dealt under your body language. And the mentors would also deal with the assessment of your body language. The another content would be your communication, because when it comes to meetings, when it comes to a professional environment in the office, communication plays a very important or a major role. So here the mentors would tell you the meaning of communication, its importance and various types of communication, and what type of communication are you supposed to involve in the organization. Alright, the next component that you will be dealing under this social gracing certificate course is the negotiation skills. So whenever you talk about communication, whenever you talk about social environment, this is really very important, and that is how do you negotiate with people. Okay, you just can't be rude and rash with people, rather you will have to handle the negotiation gracefully, carefully, with cautious. Alright, so here the mentors will tell you the negotiation meaning, types, tactics and strategies to handle effective negotiation in the workplace. Another content is your public speaking. So it is very obvious that in an working environment or in an office environment, in a business environment, you will be someone who is into lots of presentation and lots of cracking of deals and so on. So here the mentors will focus on public speaking, wherein they will tell you how to lose the stage fear, or what are the tips and what are the various tricks that make you an effective public speaker. The another content here is that is at the end, lastly the mentors will deal with your EQ, that is employee quotient, wherein they will tell you the strategies to crack GDs, they will tell you the strategies of cracking your interviews, and they will also be indulging themselves in FAQs, that is frequently asked questions in the interview or in the GDs, and they will deal with the same. So these are the contents that you will find in social gracing, dear learner. So I wish you a happy learning. Okay, let the journey of taking down the knowledge continue. All the best.